still turn down. We keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season.
Hey girl, hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is super exciting. It's some crochet hair from YGWigs. This is my first time working with this company, so yeah, let's jump right into it. Of course, you get a bunch of goodies in your packaging and your crochet hair. This is how thick one bundle of hair is, and I did receive 5. The hair does pull apart very nicely and easily, and this is their tight curl. They do have several other curls like kinky curly and deep wave, but I received the tight curl, and this is what it looks like. And the length of it, I always just kind of measure the length of it, and it's perfect actually because I don't want it too long. So I went ahead and show you how I install. I do a normal regular install, nothing fancy, just straight back cornrows and then 2 cornrows going across the nape of my neck. And when I install the hair, I just put the crochet loop underneath, loop the hair down, and pull the hair through. Nothing fancy. Okay guys, so I finished the install. The install is completely done. This is what my hair has been looking like. I've been wearing it like this for the past 2 days. Crazy enough, I got sick right in the middle of doing this install, and so I wasn't even able to finish recording it. I've been like really down bad. I'll talk to you guys about that later, or if you follow me on Instagram and TikTok and stuff, I'll probably talk more about it over there. But this hair is so pretty. It looks so natural. I know I've been wearing it in a ponytail and you can sort of see my braids, but it sort of looks like it's a braided style with just hair out in the back. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks really pretty in person, even though it looks a little questionable on camera now that I'm looking at it. But really, like in person, I usually lay down my baby hairs and it just looks like I have braids and then my hair out in a ponytail in the back. When you want to refresh these curls and define these curls, I suggest drenching your hair in the shower and taking your sections while you're in the shower. It will be much easier to manage that way. Now the only thing that I didn't do because I started not feeling well was just add in the few pieces to disguise around my hairline and around my parting space. So usually what I will do to add those pieces in, I'm looking for a scissor. Here's a scissor. Usually what I will do is take one of the crochet pieces, cut each piece of hair off of the string, and then I will just separate the piece into 2 pieces. And what I'll do is take one piece, grab a crochet hook, and let me scroll in so you can see this part. Grab a crochet hook, and where you can obviously see the, what do you call these? The knots, I'll just add these short pieces in, and what it's going to do is really disguise, it's really going to disguise those knots. Okay? And you could just do it right at the base of the braid, at the front of the braid, on each front of the braid. All right, you guys, so I'm recording right now. All right, you guys, so this is the end result. I think it came out really, really pretty. I love how this came out, and I actually really like this density. This density is really good. I have 2.5 packs left, and I don't even think I showed you guys what the pack looks like before you actually open it. It has 2 paper bands around and then a gold foil band, and it just keeps each side of the hair separate. And this is what the hair looks like when it's kind of fanned out. It does get a little tangly when you pull each piece apart, but like I said, I just hop in the shower, detangle in the shower, and then just come down, moisturize the curls with some leave-in conditioner, give it some setting with the mousse, and then use the diffuser. So it's a very simple process, the same process I use for all my curly hair, honestly. And let me show you guys a couple different ways you can style the hair. Of course, I love it like this. I love a middle part. I will always be a middle part girl, but I'll show you guys a couple different ways to style it. You have a whole lot of options with this style, and this hair is so beautiful. You can wear this hair for a very long time. It's human hair. You hop in the shower when you feel like it needs to be detangled, and you feel like your curls need to be rehydrated. Hop in the shower, hydrate your curls, wash them, condition them, and hop out, style them right in the mirror, and you're good to go for your day. I love this style. I've been getting so many compliments on it, and I just feel so comfortable in this hair. It is a very natural look. I feel like it's a very mature look as well. I'm not a young spring chicken anymore, so I'm always looking for styles that are beautiful but at the same time feel like me. You know, they feel like me. They don't feel, you know, me trying to be too young or be too this or go back to what I used to look like. Like, I think that this is a style that is, you know, it speaks to my sensibilities and my style right now where I am. It's like I turned 40, y'all, so I want a style that's giving, you know, mature, natural, girly. You know, I'm an actual soccer mom. I know people say that, oh, you know, you got your soccer mom vibe. No, I'm actually a soccer mom. And so I love that this style kind of gives that vibe. Highly recommend this hair. The quality on this hair is really, really beautiful, and the density is so nice. You don't need a lot of hair. I would say 3 packs, and this is how much is left from the 3rd pack. I have been able to get a lot of hair out of these 3 packs and a very full style. So I recommend this. Let me know you guys questions. I'll be sure to get back to you. And yeah, check out this company. I'll leave details about the company in the description box down below and a direct link to this hair. All right, make sure you guys are subscribed. We are almost at 100,000 and I cannot wait to get there. I want to do something. I don't know if it's a giveaway or like a live, a party on live, something for when we hit 100K. We are at 99K right now. So thank you to everyone who's been subscribed. I've been on YouTube for over 10 years. So I appreciate all of you that have helped this channel get to this point. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.